This week's eToro CopyTrader portfolio update is a good one. I've seen some large jumps from our top performers, with one trader climbing more than 5% in a single week. So lock in for the next few minutes and we're going to break down exactly what is happening inside this copy trading portfolio. Now, if you are new here, let me quickly explain what copy trading on eToro actually is. It's a feature that lets you automatically copy the trades of proven, vetted investors on the platform. So every popular investor goes through qualifications and tiers based on their risk score, performance, and consistency. So when you copy someone, you're following real traders with verified track records. And the best part is the copy trading feature is completely free to use, apart from crypto. Copy trading is beginner friendly, it's hands off, and it lets you diversify in seconds, literally one click, and you mirror the moves of top investors. So it's a really easy thing to use, a really great flat platform that I suggest everyone try one way or another. Now let's jump into the portfolio update. We're currently copying a total of 14 popular investors. Let's compare these to last week as well. We currently have 𝗏𝗵𝗶𝘀, who last week was on 25.76% returns year to date. This week he's on 31.54%, which is amazing news. That's a gain of 5.78% this week. Triangular Capital, last week they were on 18.65%. This week they are on 22.32%. That's a gain of 3.67%. As you know, last week was a little bit jumpy in the market. There was a large pullback, and this week there have been some fantastic gains there. In third place, we've then got Mariano Pardo, currently sitting at 20.8%. Last week he was on 16.24%. That's a gain of 4.62% in a week as well, which is great. These three investors are absolutely dominating the leaderboard right now. Each are outperforming every other major benchmark. Now, a lot of these usually compare themselves to the S&P 500. That is their goal. Beat the S&P 500, and they are smashing it at the moment. And remember, all of this is fully automated through eToro's CopyTrader. I didn't lift a finger doing any of these trades. It was all done fully automatically. And most people say if you're getting more than 10% returns per year on your investments, that's amazing. It's fantastic. Well done. These guys are getting 30% a year. Actually, that's since I started copying Thomas. He's currently at about 42% for the year. That's amazing. Don't get me wrong, with people like Thomas, and there's one other person on there, because they're the top performers, you have to have a minimum of $20,000 to invest in them. The others, it's okay. Minimum of 500 and you can start. The big boys may be a little bit more complicated. Now, there were some, I don't want to say losers, but losers in the week who had lost a little bit more. And the bottom performers for this week included 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏. He was on -7% last week, and now he's on -5%. But in all honesty, that's still nearly a 2% gain. And I only started copying him along with the others at the bottom of the list around 3 weeks ago now. And as I started copying them, there was then a huge pullback of around 4 or 5% in the S&P 500. So to be fair to them, it was just bad timing on my behalf when I started copying them. That is the nature of the beast. That is the stock market, and that is usually how it works. Put your money in and suddenly it dips. It's natural. Now, if you want to start copy trading and you want to learn how to do this yourself, I built a step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial for you. Just click the link above here or in the video description. And in just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to find low-risk proven traders and how to check their stats, how to actually set the stop-loss protection, and how to copy them automatically with a single click. And remember, copy trading is absolutely free, apart from crypto. But once you set it all up, the system does everything for you. I'm currently using a demo account on eToro using virtual money, so there's absolutely no risk to me at all. If you are new to something like this, please use the demo so you understand the platform and how it works, and to help control your emotions before you go live with real cash. I can assure you within a month or two, you'll be putting real cash in there because you'll see how great and easy it is. But please use that first to understand the platform. Now, thank you for watching this week's update. I will do another update next week, so stay tuned. Peace out. See you later.